Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Honestly, it's kind of crazy that I'm back here with my camera. I was procrastinating filming this video because I really did not want to disable or take everything out, but I don't think it's that big of a deal, and hopefully I won't have to do that much when I frickin' put this back on and everything, and then yeah. But I don't even know, this is the first time I've done a video like this, but I had a gift card and I got this cologne. I'm so excited for it because I already have one version of it, but this version is just stronger but smells so much better in my opinion. I had a sample of it. Oh my god, chef's kiss right now. I would like to check it out with you guys. So before we do that, please leave a like on the video if you're excited. Subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on. Follow my Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Join my Discord server and follow my Twitch where I live stream almost every single day. And yeah guys, let's get into this video. I'm so excited. And we have some samples because this company gives you free samples when you order, and it wants me to make it, like, it makes me want to buy more things, but I can't do that. I can't do that. All right guys, let's get into it. Are you trying to make my life hard? Was this hard last time? I don't remember it being hard. I was hard, but you know. Why? Oh, Jesus. Okay, so we've got somewhere. I know, I had to. I got the freaking perfume, or cologne, I got the deodorant, and I had a gift card. So, this is the thing. I either said this or like 5 clothing pieces that I really wanted, but I thought about it. I have a big closet already. I mean, clothes are nice, but here we got this sick white box. I love their packaging. It's freaking awesome. It's freaking free too. Not really. I'm paying for it, but hey, it's so funny. I paid for standard shipping, and no joke, I got it the next day. The next day. And they always give you the nice, like, freaking envelope for your stuff inside. Nice. What do we go inside, yeah? Okay. So this is my sample. A lot of the stuff they give you, for some reason, is meant for women. When you're buying cologne, so it doesn't really make any sense, but oh, okay. I did get this one though, because hey, everyone likes makeup. Maybe I should start doing makeup. Should I wear makeup, guys? Am I ugly? Probably. I should probably wear makeup. Dior 8 100 nude look, 566 Fiani pink, 720 icon. Okay, interesting. I'll give this to someone. This is lit. Freaking awesome. This is why I was so excited. Dude, they gave me a travel case, bro. It's actually freaking nice, good quality though. Oh my god. So we got the Elixir right here. Oh, this packaging is cool. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's cool. And then we got this goodie bag. Okay, oh, and this is where the rest of the samples are. So we get a nice goodie bag like this. Nice, okay. Lipstick. I'm gonna start wearing this, guys. Lipstick. Amazing. Love it. What is this? What is this? Ambre Nude. Ooh. Oh my god. This is, I mean, this is like, I think this is glass. You guys can see that. If only my camera would focus. I don't know what this is. I really don't want to know either. Smells good. Actually smells really good. What is this? So once again, I don't know what this is. J'adore. J'adore. I don't know. This is the thing though. Guys, please label this. Like, how am I supposed to know what this is? I don't know what this is. They don't label, like, it's, I don't know. I mean, like, I guess I'm not an intellectual. I gotta put some intellectual orange on. I love this bottle. This is, oh my god. Look at this bottle though. And it's like glass on top. Oh, I unscrew it. Oh my god. Dude, that smells so good. What is this though? Like, I don't know what this is. This lotion? It smells so good. It could be like perfume that you put on, like with your hands. I don't know what this is. I really don't know. It smells so good. And that's my little gift bag right here. I'll give this to people. And there will be nothing with Dior involved inside. I'll just give it to people. And people will think, wow, you got me Dior, but no, I didn't. I got you raspberries. I'll put raspberries in here. And then what I'm so excited for, Dior Sauvage Elixir. Personally, I like Dior Sauvage. It's like a very classic, but I was so interested in this, to be honest, because Dior Sauvage kind of is an essential, but like this is like its new form, and it is so much better in my opinion. It's really strong too, but it's like a good strong. Like I have actually Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette because the main version is too strong to actually appreciate it, but this is so strong, but it smells so good. Oh my god, dude, that was the most satisfying thing ever. I literally just pulled it off, and it's like foam in there, so you pull it off like this, and there's foam in here, so it just slides right off. This is $180, this little guy right here, and you can actually pay $30 to get this customized. You gotta smell it. It's so good, man. I'm gonna spray it on my wrist. Scared. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that is so good, dude. Just give it a minute. It's 30% Elixir. Oh my god, dude. It smells like summer, because I had the sample in summer. Alright, I'll put Sauvage EDT or ED on the right hand, and I'll let you know how they compare, because you can immediately compare it. So, with the Elixir, it's like a huge difference. It is spicy. It smells like woody, and kind of like it really does smell spicy, but like in a very like royal smelling way. Like it just smells so like I don't know, it smells so good. And then the Sauvage is, I don't really know the notes of Sauvage. I've never actually really looked it up, but for me, Sauvage kind of smells like lemony, like a little bit of citrus, the EDT version. Yeah, like citrus, but like a nice, refreshing sour. And then like, that's like its early notes. I know like they have notes, like they come out eventually. So its early notes are like that, but its later notes are much nicer. But obviously it's like 30 minutes from now when it'll finally come out. But this is just immediately spicy, and then as the day goes on, it lasts a really long time, and it smells amazing. Like chef's kiss, guys. It's kind of hard to say which one I recommend. Dior Sauvage is as an essential, but like I feel like, in my opinion, if you want to be like less of a bandwagon, because every guy has it, and if they don't have it, they have like something that smells like it, or like maybe a Ventus or something that's an essential that all men have had for, I don't even know, like 50 years. Like honestly, I would go with this, because not a lot of people know about it, especially the oldies who ride the Sauvage train. But this is just like a newer version, and honestly it makes me feel more modern for using it. I don't feel like a bandwagon. I feel like this is like the new generation of Sauvage. Stronger, and just smells different. It's like spicy, it's great. Let me look up the notes, and I'll tell you guys, because I actually never looked it up. So yeah, I'm looking at Sauvage EDT. Apparently it's fresh spicy. I don't really smell that. It must be one if it's like later notes, but it's like amber, citrus, yeah, I get that. Like musky, woody, warm, spicy. It's like warm, spicy, fresh, spicy, definitely. Woody, cinnamon, that's what it was that I smell. You smell, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not really an expert on like reviewing colognes, but hopefully you can understand like my like hype behind it and why I'm a fan of it. I actually like it a lot more than Sauvage. I definitely will still wear Sauvage, I don't know, here and there. I don't want to seem like, it's a very generic cologne. Oh my god, smells so good. In my opinion, it is the next generation of Sauvage, and like what people like me, like younger people, should be wearing. That's just me though, I don't know. It came out in 2021, so it is fairly new, and do let me know. I think it's more expensive, but I don't know. I think it's really freaking good, and if they do like a scent bird on it, I would try it, because it smells so good. So yeah, please let me know in the comments down below which one what is your essential perfume? Do you like Dior or Creed or another brand? I have no idea. I know there's some other like smaller brands that make like clones that are also really good. I'm not really sure about that. Yeah, do let me know in the comments down below, because I'm very interested if you guys have any recommendations to something maybe similar to this, or something you think is just an absolute essential cologne. Do let me know in the comments down below. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and yeah guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.